Hi, my name is Aimee Latta, and I'm from the United States of America. On the 17th of May, I was, while traveling from Hyderabad to Goa via bus, we met with an accident. Our bus actually went off the road and turned over a few times. And as a result, I sustained some injuries, 5 fractures to my spine. It was quite scary, actually, before coming to Apollo Hospital, because the accident happened 6 hours away from Hyderabad. We went first to a district hospital about an hour away from the crash scene, and the facilities there were quite limited. And so the accident happened at 2 a.m. in the morning. I wasn't able to move. I knew I'm a nurse, and so I knew there were some spinal issues, just didn't know what. And we weren't able to get any answers actually until we came to Apollo Hospital, which was around 4:30, 5:30 at night. So it was about 14 hours after the initial accident. And the minute I was rolled into Apollo Hospital, I felt I had arrived in heaven, because it was a day of a lot of turmoil, a lot of pain. And once I was rolled into the hospital and saw the amazing facilities here, I immediately felt comforted and just very relieved and very I knew that I was in 5 hands and in 5-star quality hospital facilities. And from the emergency room, I was immediately taken care of, given an MRI. The staff down in the emergency room were excellent, very comforting. Were able to provide me with a lot of answers to my questions that I had for that day, and just to settle me in. And then in that evening, I was able to receive some support from someone from the neuro team. Came and saw me and explained what was going on, what they had seen in the MRI. And then the next day, Dr. Alok's team came in and assured me that I was lucky that I didn't need surgery, but that I did have these 5 spinal fractures and needed 6 weeks at least of bed rest before getting another MRI. And I can't stop singing praises about Dr. Alok and the neurosurgery team. They're excellent. I mean, they've been very responsive, all of the medical staff, both in neurosurgery with Dr. Alok and then the cardiothoracic team with Dr. Avinash. They have been above and beyond wonderful. Any questions I have, they're there to answer them right away. And since I'm an international patient and my visa has been close to expiring, they've gone above and beyond to help take care of, help me resolve those issues, as well as any other questions that I've had that's come up with my spine, helping me with the comfort with the excruciating pain that I've had. I've had fluid on my lungs, excessive fluid on my lungs, and had to have a chest tube placed by Dr. Avinash, and his team was just wonderful. And it's amazing, in the last 2.5 weeks, the progress that's been made. And I know, I attribute most of it, all of it, to the wonderful staff here. Not only the wonderful, medical facilities, medical knowledge, but also the caring nature of the staff. And the nursing staff has also been excellent, as well as the support staff. All of the nursing staff and the housekeeping come in with smiles on their faces, and that when in somebody with my position where I can't move very much, I can only move from my sides. I can only have the head of bed up to 30 degrees. And they've been very reassuring. I've had 2 days where I've broken down, and they've noticed automatically and have come in and reassured me that everything is going to be okay. And the charge nurse here, Gypsa, is so wonderful. I mean, she's gone above and beyond. the nursing scope. I'm a nurse, and so I'm quite particular about how nursing is being done, and any questions or concerns that I've had, she's been there and has spoken with our staff, and especially, I haven't had an attendant here, and which is different from most of the patients that they've had here, and so the nursing staff has really had to step up and do certain things, help feed me, get little things, because I don't have a family member here to do that for me. And they have all been excellent, and I'm so grateful for Apollo Hospitals in Jubilee Hills, such wonderful facilities. I tell my family all the time, I'm in the best hands. I'm in a 5-star hotel or a hospital. And it's just been a wonderful experience, as much as it can be. So thank you so much. And I know that my family and friends are very appreciative of the care that I've been given. So thank you very much, Dr. Alok, Dr. Avinash, all of your team members, Sister Gypsa, and all of your nursing staff, as well as the support staff. Thank you.